Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come take a walk with me. This is Suwon Station Mall. Suwon Station is a very big station, and there's a mall with it. As you can see, it's very big. I did not get to walk around the whole mall, but this is how part of it looks. So you get through the mall, you see many shops, so many people passing through, some people selling stuff. There's a lot of sales going on. Yeah, that's before you reach to the where you get to board the subway. Yeah, so there's a sale here. Nice jackets, nice trousers. Yeah, 15,000 won. I don't know how much that is in dollars, but maybe around $14. It's another shop. This is a convenience store. It's called CEO. Nice to see you. You see it in so many places. This is another sale, some dresses. This is AK Plaza. AK Plaza, it's like a mall. It's connected to this station. Yeah, Krispy Kremes, nice cafes. There's somebody cleaning there. There's a food hall on the left. You can go and eat a variety of Korean meals. There's a bakery. This is where you get to fill your transport card. So I'd like to fill mine. Oops. Yeah, I dropped it. Sorry. So you put your card there and you select the amount, or you also check your balance, and then you come over, place your card, pass through, you get into the place where you get to board the train, the subway. Yeah, I'm gonna take the escalator. It's quite a long way up. Sometimes I take the staircase way. Oh gosh, it's too much. It's a lot. So we're going. Yeah, that's the train we took. It's going towards a place called Chonan, but I'm not going to go to the end. I'll get off somewhere in the middle. Yeah, there's people sitting around. That's how it looks on the outside. Nice view. I love how it looks. So that's where you get to know where you're going next, the next stop. Yeah, so it's written in Korean and English. Some people get to stand. If you get a seat, you can sit, but in the evening it's usually packed, like way packed. Right now it's during the day, so it's quite chilled. Like yeah, there's not too much crowd. I usually don't like the subway stations when they're crowded. It's so hectic. There's so much confusion going on. I don't like crowds. Yeah, so we are waiting to leave to the next station again. Door closes. Yeah, so in the subway sometimes it gets so boring. This is when you can use your phone, you can watch YouTube, you can chat. Yeah, do whatever you want. Some people even carry their laptops. and use them. If you're boarding with your friends, you can do stories. Yeah, the seat where I'm seated, it's for there's a side, it's for privileged people, let me use that word. Yeah, that's where I found a seat, but because the train is not full, I can sit there, it's okay. It's quite hot. Some people are using their hand fans to keep them fresh. Yeah, and cool. So we're going, there's another stop. Door opens. This is not a busy station. There's not so much people. We're going on. Yeah, I'm not very far from my stop now. Quite a journey. Another door closes. Sometimes you can sleep. I see some people getting so tired, like people who are so tired they sleep and they miss their stop. It has happened to many of my friends. It happened to me maybe twice, but not because I was sleeping. I was using my phone. Yeah, so I lost my way. I had to get off and take another train back. Yeah, sometimes you get to wait a long time for the next train, so if you miss your stop, if you're lucky, you get another train sooner. If you're not, you wait longer. That's for the directions. It's telling you where you are, where you're going next, and out the subway, the routes. Yeah, so we got off, we're going up. Yeah, so that's down like in the basement, something like that. And then in some stations you get like it's so many floors down. This one, it's not so many floors down, it's just one floor down. That's a convenience store called Storyway. Yeah, so you take your card, put it on the machine, then it reads, then the door will not close on you. Yeah, so I'm leaving this station here. I'm going outside. So that's the way out. So big, this place, but it's not. It's one of the smallest stations actually, though it looks so big here. Yeah, you can buy yourself drinks there. There's an ATM machine. There's a telephone. There's an elevator, but I did not take the elevator. Okay, we're outside. People can park their bicycles here, get them in the evening. Yeah, and your vehicles. So we're just gonna walk slowly. Walk with me, let's see what's going on outside. Just take a slow walk through. Yeah, nice place. This is like it's like a resting area. You can come and sit, do exercise. There's some machines there. There's yeah, carved animals from wood. This place on the right, it's usually green like this during spring, and then during winter it's super dry. These trees that you see here you only get to see, you don't see any leaf. There's no leaves on it, nothing is green. And during spring you see the flowers and such. Yeah, during fall you get to see the colored leaves. So we've walked past that and now we are here, guys. So we are still walking. There's so many shops. Yeah, we're headed to a street called Shopping Row. Yeah, that's an Indian restaurant. I love Indian food. Most of our Kenyan food, or maybe some of them, I think they usually look like Indian food. Like chapati. I think we got them from there because many of them migrated to Kenya. We have Indians who are Kenyan citizens. I love their food. Not the very spicy ones though. Yeah. That's a Kenyan there on the Nike shop. I don't remember his name though. Shopping Row. This is it. This is the Shopping Row. So here, instead of Shopping Road, they'll say Shopping Row. So row is the road. Yeah, that's a kebab place, Baskin Robbins. I love ice cream. Still walking. So I'm headed towards this direction is towards the airbase, but I'm not going to the airbase. Yeah, but this road is it heads there. This is one of the burger places. I'm thinking whether I should take a burger or something else. Also, a friend of mine works there, though she left. Money exchange. Star kebab. Yeah, I think I'll get a kebab. I'll get chicken kebab. Yep. That's Korean money. 1,000, 10,000. 10,000 is like, is it $10? $9? 50,000 won. That's the biggest currency, the highest. Oh, there's an airbase next to this place, and yeah, those are airplanes making so much noise. Goodness. These streets, there's so many pubs and clubs, bars. Can't wait to go home and eat my kebab, Turkish food. They really like kebabs. Yeah, that's a convenience store, 7-Eleven. I think I'm gonna get something from there, some drink at least. Yeah, it's takeout day. I'm not gonna cook. Yeah. Here we go. sparkling water. Nope. 1 + 1, 2 + 1. Yeah, I got a 1 + 1 deal with the Sprites. Yep. Let's go. Nice car. Na, 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 na. That's a hotel there. Yeah, we're going straight still. Yep. It's kind of hilly. Korea is quite a hilly country. It's a lot of mountains. A lot of places are hilly. It's tiring. Sometimes it gets so tiring. Nice big apartments, tall ones. So I'm just gonna go. It was nice of you to join me. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.